support
no,
support
no supporting. What supporting?
If you say woman is not safe outside, that touch some grass and smell the coffee. Woman in
uh, I think I want to say something. Why you are stay only one thing, child and after go another.
Your team are stay in this topic.
Yeah,
Not
start,
our
but
team,
you
because our
should
team have
go.
more points.
Nah, my point is another reasons also we have like
Yes.
safety purpose and security purpose. If you if after marriage or before marriage, if you go outside of the home, you are not safe in night or in day like this, because you need stay at home and uh, see the child and like this. Yeah, take care of the child. Yeah, yeah, this is my point. And you, if you want say
So
something
basically,
about it.
Hashim is talking about the security of the
Yeah,
women,
security.
right?
Yeah,
If they are doing night shift, there will be chances that she can face a lot of difficulties at night.
yeah.
Absolutely right.
Thank you.
Okay, your team, क्या कर रही है? What happened?
First of all, if women is doing job, she is educated.
Yes.
Okay.
She know what's the
And she
rule.
can handle very smartly.
No, who
For
said
example, if women is not safe, then she should not go outside.
if you say woman is not safe outside, that touch some grass and smell the coffee. Woman is not safe in our home.
What the woman? So you want this? The woman should die, because in some marriages, sir, a lot of women who drinks and after drinking they beat their wife. So what do you think? They are saved? They are not saved. They have pressurized. They are pressurized.
Sir, I think women should not work after marriage, because many example in our country and our surrounding area. So I think women not work. As she said, is good, because man mentality is not good for women. Some example are showing women. Women is not good for men.
Okay. Yeah.
When a successful woman avoid every time men, then I strongly suggest women not should work after marriage.
This is your thinking.
No, I am not thinking. Many example. I say one example is mostly important. SDM Jyoti Maurya.
No, but some women are not equally.
Many women
No,
in example.
Then all boys are also not equal. Then all men are also not
yes,
equal.
you are right. But
Her husband work hard. Uh,
her wife is work hard.
her wife is not work hard.
Work
her,
hard.
Her husband work hard. Her husband work hard and competitive preparation for competitive exam,
Oh.
and she is successful woman.
Oh.
Then he a position क्या बोलते हैं मैं प्राप्त करना. She got a position.
Oh.
She avoided his husband.
She avoided
He avoided her husband. And next example,
No.
Muskan. Murad.
No, social. I am said. Every woman is not equally.
He cut her husband. And many example. If
You
woman,
give example is social media, but not seeing the reality.
I seen reality.
Yes, no.
No.
You're surrounding some women's every people is drinking and beating in night, and no,
They is safe?
and a family member is also
Support.
no
Support.
no supporting. What supporting? they have don't support in women, because she is doing all household chores, and after that they go outside and work, do hard in job, in your job, in her job. So
You
that's
say
why reason you said every woman is equally.
every woman is not equally. Mostly women.
Mostly women, so
Yeah.
mostly man is also.
Mostly women who got a job and earn money.
Okay.
I think
I'm very scared.
It is so good. I want to say something. First, I want to ask this: who is responsible for the house? Only women or men?
What you said, I didn't get it.
Who is responsible for uh, खर्च? No. Not care. Expenses. Who is responsible expenses of the house?
okay.
Men or women?
You
Not
have a
both.
good question
Because creator is create the human. Creator has create the human for this word, and create the responsibility for everyone. For house responsibility is women, and expenses responsibility for men. And physically also you will accept, and everybody will accept this reason. Physically creator has create women can't do hard work, because you are saying if uh, heavy vehicles can't drive the women, and heavy work can't do women. Only lightly work can do women outside. And how?
So you singing, every woman drive the vehicles.
Vehicles, not drive the vehicles, heavy vehicles, I mean heavy vehicles. Why?
Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute.
Okay.
I only want to ask a single question. Before creating a word, God told you the all responsibility will be yours and not women's, and all the work will you do and not women's. Tell me this simple question.
Not me.
And
Yeah.
if the men will be not able to earn money, so how the family will survive?
that time
How
is
the women
story
will
will
survive?
change. But
How they fulfill
but
their
startly,
needs.
if you want on anybody want do marriage.
The labor women who earn, and their husband said and earn and something household chores and do everything with your money. So what you want to do for those women?
Yeah, this is another story, but
No,
basically
this is not another. This is Indian system.
Another story.
uh,
What I want to say, they said.
also if you have anything in, yeah.
Haven't you seen Bilasphily Women?
yeah, I see last week very strong.
They are so strong.
Yeah, strong,
Hello,
but
I
only
have a
one-
question for you.
Yeah.
Suppose that I have a question for you all, because if you suppose that you have injured, you have lost your hand and leg, what will you do in future?
This time also you are saying a different
No, that's a question.
differences.
It's my question. It's my question.
Nah, this is
not a
your
way,
question.
because you are
I
saying
want to say
that women
simply
cannot
life,
do,
simply life.
you says that a woman cannot do any job, but why?
No.
But why? If you
Cannot.
suppose that you have injured your hand and you lost your leg, but what will you do?
This is a situation.
That's the situation. Yeah, I
After
know.
situation, every person.
It's a question, brother,
earn
not
money.
the.
Yeah, your question is so
No,
It's a
no.
question. You wait. If you are
No.
wait.
Its question is good, but it's a situation.
it's a situation where if you are injured, okay, your wife does not do how to do work. If your wife is literate, so he will go anywhere for
Not
doing a job. If she is not illiterate, he will go to others home, she will go to
Many-
other house for
I see
household
many
chores.
examples.
It is not good.
It's a situation, but situation is a create in a accidentally incident. So I say after talking in after marriage, should women work? Is not. So I strongly women not work. Firstly, you seen.
Suppose that you have two hands, okay,
No, I
you have two hands. Wait.
listen me.
You have two hands. You can do any work with easily because you can do it is fast work. Okay, it is not possible to do one hand work. Okay, you will be late to do any work. You have two hands. You can do any work with easily. You can do anyway. But you can earn most money if you do.
So government provides funds to the that kind of handicapped
Yeah.
people. They get a lot of benefits. Even government
Lot of
job
benefits
also.
and
Government job also.
government job is reservation. Provide a
Okay,
reservation.
reservation, but
But
suppose
I
that you
say,
belong to
no.
middle class family. You are not. You have to
Without
not
topic,
complete fulfill your
you discuss a without topic.
with how what without topic.
You,
You lost your backbone. You are not able
I
to
topic. I discuss on topic.
In this inflammation era, only depends on husband. Money is not good. Inflation.
The husband money is very important for a woman
Why important?
because after marriage, women take rest.
Why take rest?
Firstly, she will pregnant. After
So
pregnant, no. Listen me. Maternity leave only 6 months.
only 6 months or
Only
1
6
year
months.
only.
No,
After
not
that,
not
she
1 year. Uh, before क्या बोलते हैं सर उसके जन्म के पहले baby before birth only 2 months and after 6 months it's government provide but if women work in private sector he lost the job.
No, it's
No, she lost the job.
Firstly, why you have all only topic baby? Why you have all
No
only
only topic baby nahi, not only topic baby, women's women's health problem after pregnancy
I
many
agree.
problems create.
I agree, but only you have topic only baby topic.
Baby is not topic. I say
You have. You have.
why are you avoiding baby talk? Because baby is very important future of the country.
No, but
Yes.
you have only.
Ma'am, but baby, ma'am,
But you have only
Sir,
debate only baby topic. You
yes,
have all
because
have debate.
kids are the future of the country.
Yes.
Should we avoid that?
Yes.
That is very important. Why are you avoiding that important topic?
We have not avoided. We have not avoided.
we
but
have managed this.
We have managed this. We have managed.
How will you manage? Tell me. I will want my wife to how to manage. Go to house and all job. I will tell you.
only month, only day.
Month, I think.
Yeah, only month,
Only-
day.
Okay.
Give it to me. According to me, a woman should not leave her job after marriage. She should continue because she has some desires to fulfill. She wants to make her own identity and she should not sacrifice her own identity. First thing first.
Okay.
Second thing is that after marriage, like some people are talking that she will have a baby, then she will have a lot of responsibility. I want to say one thing that she can get a lot of leave, maternity leave, she will get. Another thing is that the best thing that she can raise the children properly, she can upbring them very well with the husband. She is married, first thing first, she is not a widow, she is married woman, not a widow one. You just say that she is widow, she goes to work, baby will cry and die after some time. It's not like that.
So what type
Second thing that let me tell that husband has also same responsibility as a woman has. Okay, husband and wife both have responsibility.